So what am I going to do this morning?
Kaj bom danes počel?
It's very simple.
Zelo preprosto,
Only 3 points.
samo 3 točke.
The first one is what we have been doing this exercise in the beginning.
Prvo je to, prav to, kar smo delali med to prvo vajo na začetku.
Where are we? What's the society we are living in?
Kje smo? Kakšna družba je, v kateri živimo?
It is not the same when we were adolescents.
Ni ista, kot je bila takrat, ko smo bili mi mladostniki.
It is not the same 10 years ago.
In ni ista, kot je bila pred 10 leti.
We are educating these young people
Mi vzgajamo te mlade tega časa.
today,
Danes,
not yesterday.
ne včerajšnjih.
But we carry a baggage, an experience, personal,
S sabo pa nosimo osebno izkušnjo, potovalko na hrbtnik,
which belongs to yesterday.
ki pripada včeraj.
But we have to live today.
Ampak živeti pa moramo v danes.
The danger is of having, we say in electricity, short circuit, a clash.
In problem je, ker lahko doživimo, kot rečemo v elektriki, kratek stik.
And you know what's the language that we have, the short circuit, the language? Young people today don't want to listen.
Aha, in mi potem se opravičimo, rečemo, mladi ljudje danes nočejo poslušati.
We point our finger to the young people.
Mi pokažemo svojim prstom na mlade.
If we have a problem, it's their fault.
In če je težava, rečemo njihova težava, njihov problem je to.
They are who they are.
Oni so to, kar so.
They did not decide to be born today.
Niso se odločili, da bodo danes rojeni.
They are there.
Oni so tam, tu.
The challenge is not them.
In izzivi niso od včeraj.
The challenge is in here,
Izzivi so tukaj notri.
in my heart and in your heart.
V mojem srcu, v tvojem srcu.
So when we talk about formation,
Torej, ko govorimo o formaciji,
we are not talking about the mind.
ne govorimo o razumu.
First and foremost, we are talking about the heart.
Najprej in predvsem govorimo o srcu.
An intelligent heart.
Razumno srce.
A heart which is ready to love,
Srce, ki je pripravljeno ljubiti,
to have empathy,
ki je pripravljeno imeti empatijo, da se vživi,
to listen,
da prisluhne,
to be present.
da je navzoče.
Not as a bronze statue,
Ne kot neka, se pravi, bronasti kip,
but as a person with a mind which is very much alive.
ampak kot ljudje z mislijo, ki je zelo živa,
At the service of love.
v službi ljubezni.